So this video will show you how to easily install modded Apex, otherwise known as R5reloaded. R5reloaded is a fan-made build of Season 3 Apex Legends that can be used to mod weapons, abilities, and other parts of the game, or be used to host custom games with only you in them, or with other players. This is what I've been using to create most of the videos on this channel, and I'll show you how to install it and make your first basic mods, the same ones as my first two on the channel, the kraber mod and the Spiderman Grapple mod. I should also make it clear that this is not a cheat or hack and cannot be used with the live game. Firstly, you should join the R5reloaded Discord in the description. It is a great place to ask questions in the questions channels. You can use the threads to find out how to do heaps of stuff, or you can install mods from the Share Your Scripts channel. Also, I should make it clear that trying to give yourself heirlooms or give yourself cosmetics that ship with the game is strictly forbidden. However, there are community-made skins that can be installed for weapons. Now, there are two methods to install R5reloaded that I'll show you. For both, you'll need to have Origin installed with an alternative account to your main that has Apex Legends in the library. While no one has been banned for using this, it is best to use an alt account you don't care about just in case. For the first and easiest method, go to the second link in the description to download the open source installer, and then download the GUI installer from the page. Once it is downloaded, go and extract it. Once it is extracted, simply run it and follow the prompts like this. The message with this checkbox is all important to remember if you want this project to stay available. This download can take several hours depending on your internet, as it is the core game files that will be downloaded with a torrent that is over 40 GB. Once it is installed, you'll have a number of shortcuts on the desktop if you left it selected in the options at the start. First, make sure that Origin with your alt account is open in the background. Then you can run a particular launch parameter directly, or select this one which opens a window where you can select it manually by typing 1, 2, or 3. For single player stuff, select the debug option. However, if you're going to run a multiplayer server, run the release. The second way to install can be used if you run into issues with the installer. To do this, first step is to download the torrent and then install Detours, scripts, and if wanted, World's Edge After Dark manually. For this, you need to first download a torrent client such as btih, then paste in the magnet link from the instructions channel in the R5reloaded Discord or the description on this video and download the Season 3 Apex files. Also, download the Detours and scripts from the links in the description, and the World's Edge After Dark if you wish to have that installed. To download scripts, you click on this green button and then download from the drop-down. Next, you need to extract the Detours scripts and World's Edge After Dark files. Then, open the folder where you downloaded the torrent to and the extracted Detours files. Then simply copy and paste it into the folder. You want to replace the files if this prompt comes up. Now to install scripts, go inside Platforms and create a new folder inside it called Scripts like this. Then simply copy and paste the contents of the scripts file you downloaded into it. To install World's Edge After Dark, simply go back to the main folder on your R5reloaded installation and copy-paste these files from your extracted World's Edge After Dark folder into it. And now you should have successfully installed R5reloaded manually. To launch, make sure you have Origin open on an alternative account with Apex Legends in the Origin library, then simply find r5reloaded.exe and open it. Just like the other installation, this window will pop up where you can select the launch options you wish to execute. Now, once you launch the game, it should load up Season 3 Apex just like this. Once you get to the title screen, hit F10 like the prompt at the bottom says. This will open the server browser window. Here you can search for and join servers if any are online, or you can host a server yourself. To do this, type in a name then select Survival Dev as the playlist for the custom game with only you in it. Then select the map you wish to play on. Finally, you can select if you wish to play offline or allow others to join. If you host for others, you'd need to port forward, so be sure to check the Discord for information how to do that. Next, just hit Start Server and you'll be loaded into a game. To access weapons and other fun stuff, open the console using the tilde or insert keys, and then type in svcheats1, hit enter, and close with the same key. Now hit escape and select the dev menu at the bottom. Here you can do lots of stuff. For example, you can give yourself an AWOL tactical. Or give yourself a weapon like a wingman that has infinite ammo when you reload. And of course you can use a no-clip to zoom around the map. If you want to spawn dummies, you need to use the command on screen now in the console, and then you can just hit U to spawn dummies. Before modding the scripts, it's a good idea to have a backup, or you can always re-download them from GitHub. Now I'll show you how to make the kraber fully automatic. First go to where R5reloaded is installed, open platforms, scripts and then weapons, and scroll down till you see multiplayer weapon sniper.txt, and open it. Now you want to find fire rate and change it to something higher, for example 18, which is the same as R99. Then you want to paste these two lines in to make it automatic. Next, scroll down till you find ammo clip size, since a full auto kraber isn't fun without more ammo. Make sure you change these other two as well. Next, if you want, you can change the view kick parameters all to 0 if you want to have no recoil, but I'm going to leave it so it's uncontrollable. Now just save and you're done. For grapple, find mp ability grapple.txt and open that. Here you're looking for the grapple length first. Now I'm going to change it to 9001, so it's over 9000. Next you want to change ammo min to fire to 0, that way it doesn't take any charge up when you want to use it. Now simply save it and you're done. Now all you have to do is load up a game, type in svcheats1, then change your ability or your character, and give yourself an auto kraber, and you're set.
Grappling.